Meaning of hooter.
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 Hooter. The word hooter has a few different meanings depending on the context. It can be used to refer to an air horn or other loud signaling device, such as the type often used on large trucks or boats. It can also be used colloquially as a slang term for the nose, particularly when referring to blowing one's nose. Additionally, in British English, hooter can be used as a slang term for a person's buttocks. Overall, hooter is a somewhat informal and versatile word with a range of meanings depending on usage.